Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a 1-year anniversary review of the Samsung portable SSD T5. Here's the beast here. And I have to tell you, this thing is fast. Been using it the last year, and I love this drive. Out of all the drives I have, external SSDs, hard drives, this is my favorite drive because it is literally fast. I bought this for backing up my MSI laptop and also my Dell desktop. And I've never had a problem. Last year, not one problem at all with this drive. And did I tell you it's fast? I have numerous external drives, hard drives, SSD, and that. This one, nothing beats it. This one blows everything away. It is so fast. I'm going to show you benchmarks here in a few seconds here. If you're looking for an external drive, look at the Samsung T5 series. I'll put links in the description where you can get these on Amazon to see what they're going for. I can't recommend this enough. It is absolutely fast and totally reliable after 1 year. Not one problem at all. So let's check out the benchmarks. Benchmarks using AJA systems. Samsung claims 540 megabytes per second. So let's try it. Now let's try Crystal Dismark. Okay, so here's benchmarks using Crystal Dismark. On the left, we have a Western Digital 4 terabyte My Passport external hard drive. And I just put this in here just for the heck of it, just to show you the difference in speeds between a hard drive and an SSD. So this is my newest member to my external hard drive family. I'll put links in the description to Western Digital My Passport and to the Samsung T5. You can check them out on Amazon. So here's benchmarks for a hard drive. I just want to show you this in comparison to an SSD. So this is not bad for a hard drive. Typical hard drive. Now check out the T5. This just blows me away. Check out these read writes. Read 566, write 528. And this is using a 2.5-year-old MSI Raider notebook, USB 3.1 Gen 2. And the speeds on the Samsung SSD T5 are just absolutely amazing. If you're looking for something to back up your data, think seriously about getting an external SSD. They're so fast and reliable. You don't have to worry about the hard drive crashing because there's so many mechanical parts in a hard drive. Your chances of something going wrong are fairly good with a hard drive. Where with an SSD, you got problems with the controllers you can go, but your chances of something going wrong on an SSD are very, very low compared to a hard drive. So if you're interested in checking out the T5, like I said, I'll put links in the description to Amazon for my Passport 4 terabyte hard drive and the Samsung T5 external SSD. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.